So now's the time of year that you're going to want to start to tidy up some of your garden. It's starting to look a little sloppy and a little messy and things are going by. But if you take the time to spend a little bit of pruning on some of your plants, you can get a little more color for the next few weeks. So we have some daisies here, and where the old stems are, the blossoms are gone. If you follow those down, you're going to find some places here where there's some nice little tight buds coming out. So you're going to take that long stem that's already gone by and you're just going to cut it right off. And you'll find you're going to get, here's another one here, you're going to get not as prolific as in the spring, but you're going to get some blooms that are going to come along a little later. And that'll tidy things up so your garden isn't as messy, and you give a little more extended color for the next few weeks until you're going to want to put those mums out. So if you trim them back, neaten them up, and in a week or so, you'll start to see some of these buds growing and adding a little more life to your garden again. There. So that looks a lot better. Now those were daisies. Now, we've also got some Nepeta. Nepeta gets, which is catmint, gets a little bit sloppy with this growth here. It's going by, but look at this nice growth in the middle that's coming up. Now over the next couple weeks, that will bloom beautifully for you. So just, once again, take your stems that are starting to go by, cut them right back. Take them all off. Now, that looks so much nicer growing in your garden than this right here. You've neatened it up. It's nice, tidied it up for the fall, and you'll have some nice color coming along for a couple of weeks. We also have some, well, let's go back to this. This is another form of Nepeta. It's Andre Chaldron, and a very tall, sun-loving Nepeta, which I cut back. I wanted to show you because I've already cut this back about a week and a half ago. And now it's got some nice new growth for the fall that's going to have some blooms on it, and that makes a nice fall addition to your garden. And that's a Nepeta as well, just a different variety. We also have some salvias here. Salvias are the same way. If you're good all summer long, after these blooms are gone, take your stems that have already gone by, and if you follow them down, you'll see on here these new flowers that are going to come out. Okay, so you're going to follow your dead stem right back to where those buds are coming out. Take a little bit of time, neatens them up, makes your plant fresh again, and then you'll get a little fall color coming on those as well.